Hello everyone, my name is Arya Ajay Kurcharkar and I am a legal intern at Lexington Company and a fourth year student of BA LLB at GR Kari College of Law, Margao, Goa under the Goa University. Today I am going to be talking on the topic of kinds of presumption under the Evidence Act, and the purpose of making this video is to spread awareness about the kinds of presumptions that can be presumed under the Evidence Act that the court can presume. So there are three kinds of presumptions. Firstly, there is presumption of law. Presumption of law or artificial assumptions are inferences or propositions established by law. The inferences which the law requires to be made whenever the fact appear which it assumes as the basis of that inference. The presumptions of law are in reality rules of law, and part of the law are based like presumptions of fact on the uniformity of deduction which experience proves to be drawn. They justifiable. They differ it in being invested by the law with the quality of a rule which directs that they must be drawn. They is not permissive like presumptions which may or may not be drawn on presumptions of law against differ in their force and they are rebuttable or irrebuttable. As to the former, the presumption shall stand good only until it is disproved. The latter class or irrebuttable presumptions the law holds conclusive. The presumptions of law are of two kinds: irrebuttable or conclusive and rebuttable presumptions of law. So irrebuttable presumptions, the conclusive or irrebuttable presumptions of law are those legal rules which are not overcome by any evidence that the fact is otherwise. A well-known instance of irrebuttable presumptions of law can be found in section 82 of the Indian Penal Code, where it is laid down that nothing is an offence which is done by a child under the age of 7 years. The rule of estoppel dealt in section 115, 116, 117 of the Act are the other examples of this sort of presumption. Rebuttable presumptions. This kind of presumptions arise when presumptions of law are certain legal rules defining the amount of evidence requisite to support a particular allegation, which facts being proved may be either explained away or rebutted by evidence to the contrary, but are conclusive in absence of such evidence. For example, a man is presumed to be innocent until he is proved guilty. A child, if born in a legal wedlock, shall be presumed to be legitimate, and one who questions his legitimacy must disprove it. Section 107, 108, and 112 are examples of this sort of presumptions. Presumption of fact. Presumption of fact or natural presumptions are inferences which are naturally or logically drawn from different experience and observation of the course of nature. The constitution of human mind, the spring of human action, the usages and habits of society. Section 114 of Indian Evidence Act and the illustration under the section are examples of presumption of fact. Section 86, 87, 88 and 90 also deal with the presumptions of fact. These presumptions are generally rebuttable. Presumption of any fact is properly an inference of that fact from other facts that are known. It is an act of reasoning. Presumption of fact may be said to relate to things, persons, and acts through thoughts of intelligent agents. With respect to the things, it is established principle that conformity with the ordinary course of nature ought always to be presumed. The same rule extends to persons. Acts and thoughts of intelligent agents include all psychological factors or internal facts. Under this clause, most of the important inferences are drawn from the ordinary conduct of mankind and mutual feelings or impulses of human nature, as also from the customs and habits of the society. Are also mixed presumptions. Mixed presumption or presumptions of mixed law and facts hold as intermediate place between two former presumptions and consist chiefly of certain presumptive inferences which from their importance attract as it were the observation of law. This sort of presumptions are not dealt with in evidence. The Indian Evidence Act has made several provisions of presumptions of fact and the presumptions of law. Section 4 of the Act, however, gives a direction to court as to how to proceed under the section and control them. So these were the three kinds of presumptions under the Evidence Act. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment on my video, and do like and subscribe our channel Let's Click, and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we post a video. Also, please give me a feedback on this video and previous videos which you can see on this YouTube channel. Also, if you have any questions related to this video or any previous videos, please post it in the comment section below. I'll reply as soon as possible. Lastly, this video doesn't solicit any type of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India, and the sole purpose of making this video is for educational purposes only. Thank you.